Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's about to shake up the electric SUV world, the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Coupe. And let me tell you, this isn't just another SUV with a sloping roofline. This is Skoda proving they can blend style and substance in ways you might not expect. Let's kick things off with what makes this Enyaq Coupe truly special. That swooping roofline isn't just about looks. It helps this thing slice through the air with a drag coefficient of just 0.225. To put that in perspective, it makes the Enyaq Coupe the most aerodynamic Skoda ever built. And yes, that has a massive impact on range and efficiency. Up front, Skoda's new modern solid design language makes a bold statement. The glossy tech deck face houses advanced sensors behind its sleek surface, while the LED matrix beam headlights feature a distinctive 4-eye look. Above them, a striking light band with vertical eyelashes creates a unique light signature that'll turn heads day or night. Speaking of turning heads, Skoda offers wheel options from 19 to 21 inches. But it's not just about style. Every element of this car has been optimized for aerodynamic efficiency, from the front air curtains to the smoothly integrated rear spoiler. Now, let's talk power. You've got three flavors to choose from. The entry-level Enyaq Coupe 60 comes with a 150 kilowatt rear motor and 63 kilowatt-hour battery. Step up to the 85 and you're looking at 210 kilowatts of power paired with a larger 82 kilowatt-hour battery. Want maximum performance? The 85X adds a second motor up front for all-wheel drive capability. That slippery shape we mentioned earlier, it helps deliver an impressive range of over 590 kilometers. And when you do need to charge, the larger battery versions support 175 kilowatt DC fast charging. That means 10 to 80% in just 28 minutes. Perfect for those quick pit stops on long road trips. Inside, you'll find a cabin that combines premium materials with smart technology. The 13-inch infotainment display takes center stage, complemented by a 5-inch digital instrument cluster. Opt for the augmented reality head-up display, and you'll feel like you're driving something from the future. Skoda offers 6 different interior themes, including the new sustainable lodge design with materials made from recycled fishing nets and carpets. Or go for the Eco Suite with its olive leaf tanned leather if you're feeling fancy. Every version comes with heated front seats and 3-zone climate control as standard. Now you might think that swooping roofline kills practicality. Think again. You still get 570 liters of cargo space with the seats up, expanding to a massive 1,610 liters when you fold them down. Those are numbers that would make some traditional SUVs blush. Tech-wise, the new Skoda app takes connectivity to another level. It gives you access to over 800,000 charging points across Europe and even lets you park your car remotely using just your smartphone. The new Remote Park Assist can maneuver in and out of tight spaces while you watch from outside. Safety features? All the good stuff comes standard. You get predictive adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and side assist. Those LED matrix headlights are clever enough to maintain full beam without dazzling other drivers. Starting at €44,000, the Enyaq Coupe positions itself as a value alternative to premium electric SUVs. While that's not cheap, you're getting the kind of features, range, and performance that would cost significantly more with a premium badge. So what's our verdict on the new Skoda Enyaq Coupe? This isn't just a style exercise, it's a genuinely well-executed electric SUV that proves you can have form and function. The striking design, impressive range, and advanced technology make it a compelling package for anyone looking to stand out from the electric crowd. That's it for our look at the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Coupe. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more reviews of the latest EVs, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think about Skoda's sleek electric cruiser. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.